Angel, where are you? You gotta be kidding me. Angel? Come on. You're busted. Come on out of there. That's what I thought. Come here, you. Out of there. Get out of there, you. You little ferocious dragon in a cave, you. Come on. Come on out of there. Do I have to drag you out? There you go. Get a good hold and... Come on. Get a good hold on my finger. Come on out. You're gonna come out or what? Come on. He's going, Rawr. Gonna come out? Gonna come out, sweetie? Oh, you goofball. Come on. Come on. Aren't you the ferocious little dragon? Come on. Rawr. Like a little viper you are. Gonna come out? Gonna come out? Nope. Oh boy, it's gonna be a hell getting him out of there.